back to another video, and today I just want to announce that I'm not feeling good today because I've got a bad cough and I still have a cold. Because of that, I can't cope with the coughing today, and it's been really bad. And I won't be making more videos today because if I don't get better soon, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh, I am sorry and I apologize that I won't be doing I won't be doing videos until I get better. So I'm very sorry about that. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully if I get better enough, um, I will make it through. But just give me some support if you need to. And I'm very sorry that I haven't uploaded videos for a long time because of things have gone on, like the coronavirus has been spreading for the entire day, and I can't cope with anything. And it pains me to say that I can't do this because um one reason is I can't I won't be able to make videos until uh, until tomorrow. But I'll make it during in the morning. But tomorrow I've got some things to do, and I hope you guys understand why. Because I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling as well as you could say, and I'll 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 make sure I do videos in the morning. But up to now, um, things schedule is gonna be changing, and I've got a really bad cough and a really bad cold, and thank you guys for supporting. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for that, and thank you. Bye.